Hello, today we are exploring one of the fundamental concepts of JavaScript, conditional statements. Conditional statements are powerful tools in programming that allow us to make decisions and control the flow of our code. Conditional statements allow your program to make decisions and execute different blocks of code based on certain conditions. Let's jump right in and see how they work. In JavaScript, there are basically three types of conditional statements: if statements, if else statements, and switch statements. First, let's look at the if statement. It allows you to execute a block of code if a specified condition is true. For example, let's take a variable x is equal to 10. So, if x is greater than 5, we solve our log x, x is greater than 5. The message is printed on the screen because the condition was true. If we update the value of x to, for example, 5 or 4, now the message is gone because the condition now is false. We learned about the conditional operators in the last lecture, which return true or false on the basis of specific conditions or variable values. Here, the value of x is 4, which is less than 5, so the condition is false. If false, the block of if statement will get executed only when if the condition is true. For example, if true, then the message is printed on the screen. Next, we have the if else statement. This statement allows you to execute one block of code if the condition is true and another block if the condition is false. For example, we can update the previous example. For example, x is greater than 5, and in the else statement we can write another message: console x. In the first block, which will get executed if the condition above is true, which is x is greater than 5. If this condition is not true, the else block will get executed. Here the value of x is 4, 4 is less than 5, so this block will not get executed, and the else block is getting executed, which will print x is less than 5. We can take another example for if else statement. Let age is equal to 20. If age is greater than equal to 18, we will print you are eligible for vote, and you are not. The value of age is 20. 20 is greater than equal to 18, so you are eligible for vote is printed on the screen. If I update the value of age to 10, the message is now updated to you are not eligible for vote because now the else part is getting executed. Finally, we have the switch statement. This statement is useful when you have multiple conditions to evaluate and execute different blocks of code based on the value of a variable. For example, let's take a variable, let day is equal to Monday. Let's take another variable, let message, and we will assign some value to the message variable in switch statement. So the syntax for switch statement is switch, the name of the variable on which you want to apply multiple conditions, and a block of code which is represented by curly braces. We can specify the condition by case keyword, case Monday. If the value of the day is Monday, then we will assign message variable some string to day is Monday. Break. The break keyword is there to exit from the switch statement after a case is true. If you want to check multiple conditions on a variable, you can skip the break keyword. But if you want to just check one case, if it's true, then you want to exit. You don't want to check multiple conditions after that. You can write a break keyword. So if a case, if today is Tuesday, then message is equal to today is Tuesday. So we will write a break keyword and the default. Default keyword is there, and default statement or default condition will get executed if no above case is true. Today is another day. We will print the message here. So today is Monday is printed on the screen because the value of day variable was Monday. If I change this to Tuesday, now the Tuesday is printed on the screen because the first case was not true. The case Monday. The second case was true. The message variable is set to Tuesday, today is Tuesday. If I update the value to Wednesday, then the default block is executed message is today is another day, because case Monday is not true, case Tuesday is not true. So above cases were not true, so the default case is executed, and today is another day is stored in the message variable. So that's it for this video for conditional statements. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming tutorials.